So this is from Barangay Basak, San Nicolas, or Lumad, Basakanon. Basakanon are people from the farm field. As usual, yung kanilang theme, like the usual farming, cornfield, offering products to the Lord. Maganda yung kanilang musicality. Meron silang ibang sound na ginagamit. So ang concept nila ngayon is parang there are two tribes and one tribe is stealing their harvest. Ito yung ano nila, Reyna, Sinulog Queen. Oh guys, it's raining. They are dancing under the hard rain. Wow, beautiful. Yun yung maganda sa Sinulog Basakanon. They always have this precise, pristine, and I would say very elaborate and polished execution. Magagandang execution. And then yung mga dancers nila, they can execute their steps very well. Ang ganda ng choreography nila. And as always, they always give us a very clean presentation. A very dynamic and polished dance. That is a beautiful formation, Prussian triangle. And unbelievable, yung mga dancers execute all at the same time. They're so synchronous. Yung ano lang, there's a problem with the use of the color of the props. Hindi masyadong na-highlight yung props because of the color. Nice dance steps. Very good formation. Again, ang costume nila, beautiful. Wow, that is a very good choreography. You call that one as a one world. Very nice. Beautiful. Ang ganda. Nice. Nice one. Good, good. So, yung plus factor nila is yung formation, dances, yung pagka-polish ng movement, yung ng dancers. Yung very clean presentation, yun yung talagang plus factor nila. I think they have to work on like presenting more spectacular props kasi yung props nila, although maganda rin naman, but it won't really give, you know, awe and wonder to their presentation. Walang masyadong effect yung props nila. Although, they're really good props. Hindi lang masyadong bongga. That is a good one. Okay, ito, it's really a good one. At least meron silang surprises. Like this one. Okay, so that was the Lumad Basakanon o Barangay San Nicolas. Very well polished dance, nice formation, very outstanding choreography. The props were also so much of artistry, you know.